Hey love, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be using these tools and products over here to turn myself from this rat that you see to this beautiful young lady. I mean, come on now. Chelsea, come on now. Where have you seen such beauty ever? Anyway, so I'm going to take out this high puff. This is the first agenda of the morning slash afternoon slash whenever I was recording this. So please, unlike me that is doing like I don't even know what I'm doing, like please be careful when you're taking out your hair tie, especially if it is a hair tie or even worse, a rubber band. If it's a scrunchie, well, scrunchies are less prone to tangles, but a hair tie like this, I beg go take it easy. As you can see, my hair is really it's in a state, and the reason is because I went swimming yesterday, so a lot of the products that was in my hair has gone, and the hype off was basically just my escape from reality. So oh my gosh. Okay, so next thing is I'm going to take my spray bottle and I'm going to restore a little bit of moisture back into my hair. When doing any style that involves gel whatsoever, it is very important that your hair is absolutely moisturized. Like, not just moisturized like leave-in conditioner, like there has to be a little bit of actual moisture, as in water, in your hair, just to help with the laying of the gel and all that. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm putting a little bit of water in my hair. Next, I'm taking this Grow Strong strengthening treatment from Cantu, and the reason I'm using this is not just for anything but for the fact that I've run out of leave-in conditioner and this is like the only thing I have left. It's just gonna have to act as a leave-in conditioner today. I already started applying it before I realized that I didn't even test it against the gel. Luckily, I remembered on time and I just took a little bit of my gel and a little bit of the conditioner. I rubbed it together and thank the Lord for my life. They were a good mix. So, hallelujah, we can move on. Guys, this is a step that is really important. Anytime you want to do a style that has to do with gel, always test your leave-in conditioner with your gel. If they are not a good mix and you put them together, it can lead to flaking in your hair, and trust me, you don't want that. You don't want to have to go through all that energy and strength only for the entire style to burst out in flakes. Trust me, baby girl, you don't want that. I like that this product is giving my hair a little bit of a stretch as I am using it to moisturize my hair, and I kind of, it doesn't really have a lot of slip. It isn't the best leave-in conditioner, but it's not bad, and I like the stretch it's giving my hair. So yeah, once I'm done applying and finger detangling as I go, finger detangling is important at this step because the real detangling is coming, and it's not gonna be a funny business. So I like to finger detangle just to loosen up my curls and get rid of any major tangles that may be in the way, tangles that if comb should reach, tears may come out of my eye. So yeah, I like to finger detangle first as I am applying my conditioner. Now it's time for the actual styling to begin. I'm going to start off with a part. I'm going to part off the front section of my hair. So for this front part, I decided to go with a zigzag middle part, and on my first attempt, it was not great. So I went in and I cleaned it up, and yeah, it looked better. So I stuck with it. So to this section, I'm going to spray a little water and then I'm going to detangle. It's very important that the hair is moist and that it is detangled because you're about to like slick it down with gel. Okay, although me, I'm not slicking my own down, I'm going to do a braid, but still it's very important that it is thoroughly detangled so that when you're braiding it's a lot easier. I took a good amount of my Eco Styler gel and I applied it to this section, and again I combed it through. I detangled. Like, detangling is just so important and unavoidable in this whole process. Okay, it just makes everything like a whole lot easier. Once that's done, you're all set. So I'm going to start doing my cornrow. I always make sure that when I'm doing cornrow up front like this, I try not to make it too tight because this is the area of my edges. If you pull too tightly on this area, whatever you see when you take it down, you collect it like that too. So I always try to make sure that the cornrow is like soft, it's not too strong, and I'm not picking too tightly and all. And as you can see, the cornrowing is a bit easier because I have so detangled this section over and over and over again. So there's no tangles, there's not too much tangles when I'm cornrowing. It's very important that you detangle. So I'm going to repeat the same thing on the other side, but because of the zigzagginess, I've decided not to make it like a regular cornrow. Just like I did with the first section, I'm going to go in with my spray bottle and then detangle, and then go in with my gel and then detangle again. So I'm dividing that this section into two. So I'm going to cornrow the top and then the bottom and then join them together, so it's going to look like a Y. Yeah, so that's the plan. I actually came up with that just on the fly. Just right there. I don't know about you, but I think it looks pretty good and it suits the style. Anyway, let's move on. My arms were already hurting at this point, but I had to push through the pain. I was looking at myself in the mirror and I was thinking maybe I should do like a twist out at the back. I was about to change my mind, but nah, twist outs will take so much energy. I'm gonna have to twist and then wait and then loosen the twist and then no. So I just decided to stick with my sleek back style. So I sprayed water in my hair and then I used my fingers to work it in. Then I grabbed my white tooth comb and did my best to detangle all that hair that was at the back. And then once I was done detangling, I went in with my gel, really trying to sleek everything down. Went back in with my white tooth comb and then a brush, just really doing my best to sleek things down. And I didn't want to use too much gel. If you are trying to do that sectioning method where you section and put gel and section and put gel, I don't know, there's something about that method I don't really like, so I didn't want to use too much gel. So I just put gel up top and then I just did everything I could to brush it down and make everything lay flat. For these two cornrows that I did on top, I'm just going to loosen the twists and detangle and then simply pack them to the back. My next challenge now is figuring out how to tuck in that puff so that I can put on my ponytail. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make separate twists in the bun. I think I did about 6 of them, and then I'm just going to roll them up together and then tuck them in. That way the puff becomes like a bun and it's much smaller, so I can easily put on my ponytail. Before I go ahead and put on my ponytail, I'm going to apply mousse. I'm using this one from Nova Gold. Because this is a sleek back gel style, I found that applying mousse after gelling everything down actually helps lay things flat and just keep things down and look sleek and shiny. So yeah, I'm going to apply mousse all over my hair, and then I'm going to try and use the mousse to like lay my edges and just spread it everywhere basically. And then when I'm done applying the mousse, I'm going to take my scarf and I'm going to tie it. Now there's this like paperish thing that people use when they use mousse, but me, I don't have it. I don't really feel like it's necessary to spend all that extra money, so I'm just going to tie my scarf in peace. So while my hair is in the scarf getting ready, I'm going to take my ponytail and I'm going to treat it. And I do this every single time I use the ponytail. How the hair in this ponytail has not finished is beyond me. So I'm going to stretch it out and then give it a little trim. And how I know which side to trim is, ponytails normally come with 2 combs. So the one that has the toggle, I take it as the top comb, the top one. So I just like how the ponytail falls in that position is how I normally trim the hair. I hope you understand what I'm saying. After trimming, I'm going to spray some water on the ponytail and then apply some mousse to it as well. And then I'm just going to fluff it all out. Anything I need to trim, I'm going to trim. As you can see, the ponytail is looking very nice. So it's finally time to put on my ponytail, and y'all know I had to go and do a little bit of makeup for the big reveal. So I'm taking down my scarf and oof, look at how beautiful the hair is looking. Oh my goodness, so sleek, so shiny. So perfect. The way I described it before, yeah, I'm taking the part of the ponytail that has the toggle and I'm going to attach that on top, at the top of my bun. and then attach the lower comb under as well. Be careful not to strain your nape hair so that it's not uncomfortable for you. So once I install the combs and everything is fine and comfortable, I'm going to tug the toggle, yeah, just to make everything fit and snug, and then I'm just gonna wrap the excess elastic around, and then bam, once again I'm going to fluff it out and give it a shake. Then I'm going to use my scrunchie and just cover where the ponytail is attached to my hair to make it look a little more natural. So this is the final look, guys, and I am in love. Personally, I feel like the entire style came together once I put on my earrings. As you can see, the style is sleek, it's pretty, it's giving. The ponytail is giving all that it's meant to be giving. Everything is just perfect, and the style came out so well. I'm so glad it turned out this way because it was actually kind of impromptu. Please let me know if you would like to see more of this type of styling content on my channel going forward, and don't forget to like this video, share with all your friends, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on post notifications. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. I will see you in my next video next week. Bye.